Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT Air Filter channel. Today we're changing the engine air filter on a 2023 Toyota 4Runner. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new engine air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Step 1. Open the hood and locate the engine air filter housing. Step 2. Release the 3 clips and lift the housing cover. Step 3. Remove the old engine air filter. It's definitely ready for replacement. Step 4. Insert your new engine air filter. That's it, no tools required, quick and easy. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT. Members save 10% for Life Plus free surprise kits. Link in description.